When you head out on your own, you learn a couple of things pretty fast. What you're made of, and who shows up. For us, it was hundreds of customers helping us shape our Deere Designed excavator fleet. The test pilots working for years alongside our engineers, prodding and pushing. And what did we do? What we've always done. We listened until the industry's newest fleet was proven where it counts. Gleaming new, battle-scarred. The end result of over 165,000 hours of runtime, all monitored in real time, on test sites that looked a lot like your job sites. Overkill? Our competitors probably think so. Our customers, not so much. Power you can feel. Control that feels like instinct. Technology built in, not bolted on. So each model sees more, responds faster, and helps you finish cleaner. So here's to the ones who showed up, spoke up, and made every detail earn its place. Not built for them, built with them. Never idle.